How to remove outline from text and image in Microsoft Word. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here you can see I have one image and one text here with border. So in image the border is like the square, because this image is not transparent, and the text have the border outline like this. Okay, so let me show you how you can remove the outline from text and image. So first let me show you for image. Then you need to just select that image and right click on it and go to the format picture. Under the format picture you can see the 4 option in under format picture. So we need to select this one, which is the fill. Okay, so this fill and line. Okay, just select these options and go to the line, and you need to make sure the this option has to select it. Just select that, then outline will be removed. You can see if your image have outline circle on image itself, then it will also remove. Okay, so just go to the line and go to the no line, it will be removed. And make sure fill also no fill. Okay, now come to the text, just select the text, go to the home. Here the text bar you can see, go to the text and select the, okay, let me show you. Okay, go to this option, just click on this down arrow. Here you can see the option called outline. Just keep the cursor on it, then this option will be visible to you. Now clear no outline, then the outline will be removed. Okay, so that is how you can use the, you can remove the outline from images and text from in the Microsoft Word. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.